You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? I love this word. Let's learn how to pronounce it. I love it because it's very, very confusing. It uses lots of complicated spelling, but it's easy to pronounce once you know. So let's break it down. In English, the pronunciation goes as oropharyngeal, right? So let's break it down. Oro, that's easy. PH is pronounced like an F. So fa, rin, G, O. It's not gil or gal. Oropharyngeal. Easy once you know oropharyngeal, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.